revision, you're ready to write,
No.
you need revision.
Yes.
Okay. Then now we'll go with revision and afternoon DRT. Okay. For Yakub, no need of revision. For Yakub, no need revision, it seems. Okay. Okay, I think you are all ready to write the today's DRT, right? Okay, Nana?
Yes.
Yes, morning we'll go with the revision and afternoon I'll conduct the DRT at 1:30. Okay? Okay, children? If you show your thumb, we shall start the class.
But I don't have tuition.
Okay. If you show your thumb, I'll start the class. Children, again and again I'm telling you, I'll give only 1 minute of time. If anybody is not turning on their videos, I'm not going to allow them for the DRT test and also for the revision. Only 1 minute of time. Everybody should switch on the video. Everybody. Okay, all if you take out any rough book or maths revision book. Maths HW also no problem. Don't ask me in which book I have to write, in which book, miss. Don't ask bloody questions. While the class is going on, some fellows are asking like that. Which book? Any rough book or else any revision book you can take, rough book or maths HW you can take. Okay, shall we go for revision? I want everybody to say, yes, miss, I am ready for revision.
Yes, miss, I am ready for revision. Yes, miss, I am also ready for the revision. Oh, yes, we are ready for revision,
I'm muting you all. Yes, you are all ready for the revision. We shall start with the revision. We have the blocks. We have 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 6 blocks we have. But they are very easy. Once we shall practice all model questions we can practice. First, I'll give you 2 subtractions and 2 multiplication. 2 additions and 2 subtractions. 3 digit regrouping. Everybody asking their friend. Did you remember, everyone? I'll give 4 sums you have to complete now. 2 questions of additions and 2 questions of subtractions. Fast work I want, children. I don't want late work. Very fast work I want. I'm showing it on the screen. Very neatly I want. Start doing. Everybody should start doing. 2 additions and 2 subtractions I gave. Fast. Additions means you have to carry forward. Subtractions you should ask your friend. Chala fast ga cheyali. Who is going to be the first? I should not get any disturbance, children. Any disturbance I don't want. Fast work. I want digital thumb who finished.
Miss.
Yes, what is your doubt? Yes, what is your doubt?
This one show the screen. Miss, once how we should do the sum. Once show
First answer is 635 miss. Show the screen. Miss,
I'm
first
showing
answer is 635. Miss, once show the screen. Once Miss, completed by Satvik. Miss, show us to the screen. Miss, completed by Satvik.
Navya, did you understand? Children, are you clear now?
Miss completed, Miss, by Zainab.
Danish completed, very good.
Miss, show us to the screen.
Sakshit, where are you looking at, boy? I'm showing you the screen. Huh? Children, all can see the screen now. Okay, now after that, you have to draw pictures to show multiplication sentence. I'll tell you one how to do. Okay, draw pictures to show multiplication sentence. Suppose if I give 3 into 2, so 3 represents number of groups. That means 3 circles or 3 boxes or whatever you want. So 3 circles I have drawn. After the 2 is given, in each circle 2 more circles.
Miss, answer
Like this you have to draw. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 6. That means 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now can you do if I give you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. No need to note down this one. I am giving you 4 into 5.
Yes, miss.
4 into 5. 6 into 2. Fast. Fast. 4 into 5. 6 into 2. 4 into 5. 6 into 2.
Miss, we have to draw 5. 13, 14.
Miss completed, miss.
4 into 5 and 6 into 2, you can draw circles, boxes, anything. Flowers, you can draw anything, you can draw fast. But fast work I want. Chala fast ga cheyali.
One, two, 3, 4, 13.
Miss completed.
Completed, Nana. Very good.
Miss completed. 4, 6, 8, 7, 12.
Completed, miss, by Zainab.
Very good, Zainab. Okay. Now next all of you. Now next one. Estimating. Estimating, you already know. While I'm explaining, I already told you estimate. If I give estimate, see all of you, 289 minus 164. If I give like this estimate, I'll tell you how to do. First, you have to put arrow marks and you should put 2 zeros. Gurtunda? Did you remember, children? Nearest hundreds, you have to put 2 zeros, and then after you have to see the tens place number. Tens place number. What is the tens place number here? What is the tens place number? Type in the chat box. 8. Very good. So 8 is a tens place number. It is greater than 5. It is bigger number. So when you get bigger number, 2 after number, you have to write 3. 300. 300. And next one, see the 164. What is the tens place digit, Aunty? 164 tens place digit. 6. Very good. 6. 6 means it is bigger number than 5. 5 kante peddadi kada, so you have to write 1 after number. 1 after number what? 2. Very good. So it is 200. So 300 minus 200. What is the answer? 300 minus 200?
100.
100. Very good. 100. So you have to see the tens place number. Tens place number, if it is big, you have to write the number. Can I give you one more?
Yes, miss.
Who is going to tell me the first? 684 minus 268. Fast.
Miss, how to do it? We got 5 minutes.
Yeah. Very good. Somebody told the answer.
Stop it, miss. Miss, once tell me the question, miss.
Estimate, Nana. 684 minus 268. Zainab. First, you have to write 2 zeros for each number. Do this one, all of you. 684 minus 268. Aniket, very good, Aniket. Superb. Yakub, superb, Nana. Yakub. Yakub and Aniket already did.
Miss,
Answer
answer
very
is 400.
Yeah, very good. Answer is 400. Children, if I give plus here, you have to add. Here I gave minus, but if I give plus, you have to add. Are you clear?
Yes, miss.
Everybody. Vignesh chesava, Vignesh. Switch on the videos, everyone. Switch on the videos. Only 30 seconds of time I am giving you. If you didn't switch on the video, I'll remove you from the meeting. Only 30 seconds time. Akshara, Aniket. Tanish, I want video. Satvik, Sakshit, Aradhya, videos. If I give plus, you have to add. If I give minus, you have to subtract.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you the questions. You have to answer, children.
Okay, miss.
You have to answer, children. Kartikeya, completed Kartikeya.
Yes, miss.
Havish, Fatima.
Miss, for Vignesh completed.
Very good, Vignesh. Okay. Now I'll ask you the questions, children. You have to answer. Okay. The expanded form of 364 is expanded form. Raise your hand. I'll give the chance. Expanded form I want. Raise your hand.
Miss, can you repeat? Miss, once can you repeat?
I'll repeat the questions. I'll repeat the question, but you have to raise your hand. The expanded form of 364. Expanded form. Yes, Tanish, you can tell the answer. You raised the hand, Tanish.
Miss completed, miss. 300 plus 60 plus 4 means. Miss, can I say? Miss,
Zainab, stop.
Miss, what is the number?
364.
300 plus 60 plus 4.
Yeah, very good. 300 plus 60 plus 4. Okay, now all of you. Okay, now all of you create a pattern using triangles and circles. Any pattern of your choice. Using triangles and circles. You have to show me. Any pattern. Circles, triangles, to cheyali. Any pattern. 2 circles, 2 triangles, or 1 circle, 1 triangle pattern. Design you have to make.
Completed.
Circles
Look
and
at my
triangles.
picture, Miss. Completed.
Show me the picture.
Miss, see my screen, Miss Zainab. Completed by Prem Saran. See my screen, Miss by Zainab. Yeah, Miss. Completed, Miss. Completed. Completed, Miss.
Good, everybody.
Miss, completed. Miss,
You are very fast in creating a pattern. Very good, children. Very good.
Miss.
Okay. Stop, Nana. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Don't talk, Nana. Just to show me your books if you want to show. Just to show me the book. Don't talk, Nana. Arvind, very good. Superb, Arvind. Very good. Okay. Next. The next question is, you all know 3 tables. Just write in your book. Don't tell the answer. 3 sevens are. Write in your book answer. 3 into 7. 3 sevens are. Three sevens are.
Completed, Miss. Completed, Miss. Miss, completed.
Havish, tell me the answer. 3 sevens are what? Havish, remaining quiet children. Havish, tell me the answer. One. Very good, Havish. Very good. Okay. Now next, Nana. Now next, everyone. I'm going to give you a word problem you have to do. Okay. Addition or subtraction you have to think and do. I'm going to read a word problem now. I'll show it on the screen. Okay, if you can listen, you can listen and write. There are 267 children. 267 children in the school.
Miss, show the screen.
I'll show the screen. Wait then. I'll show the screen. Wait. Whether the question is addition or subtraction, you have to think and do, children.
Miss, where is the screen?
1 minute. 1 minute. I'll show you the screen, Nana. 1 minute.
Completed, Miss. Completed, Miss. My Zaina. Miss, show the screen.
Once wait. I'm showing you the screen. Once wait, children.
Miss, screen.
Yeah, screen. Once wait. 1 minute.
Miss, I can't see.
I'm not showing still. Wait. I'll show. 2 questions I gave. You have to see whether it is addition or subtraction. I'm going to share. Okay. Can you look at the screen, everyone?
Yes. Miss.
Okay, the first question I'm reading, Nana. There are 267 children in the school. Among them, 125 are girls. How many boys are there? Addition or subtraction, you have to think and do. Second question. A farm has 320 cows and 167 goats. How many animals are there in all? How many animals are there in all? There are 267 children in the school. Among them, 125 are girls. How many boys are there? Tell me, first question you will do addition or subtraction?
Subtraction. Second question, addition.
Very good. Very first question subtraction and second question addition.
One 142 Miss, answer. 142.
Don't tell the answer, Nana. Don't tell the answer. Remaining don't do. Children, many are drawing on the screen. If you draw on the screen, I'll remove you from the meeting, children. Many are drawing on the screen. Don't touch the screen. Just read. Just read and write the answers.
$21 girls
Again,
and
again touching the screen.
Total वितर घेतले.
Aradhya, no video, why? Aradhya, no video, why? Children, you are writing number of children. Are you writing number of
Children.
You have to write the word problem. Number of girls, number of boys. Next one, number of cows, number of goats. Like that you have to write.
Miss completed first and second question and answer, Miss.
Very children, no need to write the questions. Questions ledu. Afternoon also for DRT, you no need to write the questions. Only answers.
Completed full question and answer. Miss completed. Miss completed. Miss. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు వాయిస్ పట్టింది ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. Miss completed first and second answer.
Children, afternoon in the DRT also, no, I'll show you the screen. Afternoon also in DRT, no need to write the questions now. Answers, question only answers have to write. And afternoon you have to get ready with your maths TNs. All of you should get ready with your maths TNs. Get ready with your maths TNs. Children, don't touch this.
Miss, the creation tree should rejoin.
No need to rejoin, Anna. No need to rejoin. You can leave. No need to rejoin. If the meeting ends, you can leave. But you have to practice at 1:30. You'll have the DRT. You have to practice estimations. You have to practice putting 2 zeros. Practice well that one. Estimation practice well.
Miss,
Okay.
Miss, last question. 1,004. My sister 142, Miss. Last question is 1,042, Miss.
Very
Miss, 130.
good.
From my sister's second one, Miss. 4,088, Miss.
Navya, that is not 4,000, Nana. 400 anali, not 4,000.
Sorry, Miss. 488, Miss. Second one.
Very good. Children, don't touch the screen.
Miss completed, Miss. Miss 130 and my
Completed,
sister
very good.
class, Miss. Who completed? We can leave, Miss.
130 have your sister class. What, Sakshita? I don't understand what you told. Tell clearly.
Class and she should rejoin. Miss, second one. Done, Miss. Full afternoon maths class.
What? Children, if you raise your hand, I'll give the chance to answer. Why are you? Everybody is talking at once. If you talk at once, how could I understand, Nana? How could I understand? You have to talk one by one.
Means
Sakshit, what you told me, I didn't understand. Tell again, Sakshit. What you are telling, Sakshit? Okay. Yes, can you write the afternoon DRT? Is it easy for you?
Miss, I'm ready for the afternoon DRT, max DRT.
Children, if the meeting ends, you no need to rejoin. Just to join in the afternoon class for DRT at 1:30. Children, practice estimations. Okay, now all of you draw pictures to show. Draw pictures to show 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Draw pictures, everyone. 5 into 2. Kartikeya, what is that charting? Draw pictures to show 5 into 2. Fast. 5 into 2.
It's completed.
5 into 2 completed.
Miss, completed from 5 into 2. Answer is 5 into.
What is your answer? Type in the chat box. 5 into 2. Okay, who completed 5 into 2? Draw pictures for 2 into 5. Who completed 5 into 2? Draw pictures to show 2 into 5.
Miss, answer is 10, miss.
Who completed 5 into 2? Draw 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Draw pictures to show 2 into 5. Did you observe anything? 5 into 2, 2 into 5.
Same answer, miss.
Bhargav.
Miss, 5 into 2,
Aniket
2
will
into
tell
5.
you.
Answer is, miss.
Did you observe
5.
anything, children?
Yes, miss.
Miss, same answer, miss.
Miss, same answer is 5 into 2 also 10. 2
Yes, very good. 5 into 2 is 10 and also 2 into 5, 10. That means if you change the numbers, the answer is same. The answer is same. Okay. Okay, children. We come. Very good. Very good. Who is that? Gave the answer.
Miss. Hi, miss.
Sharan, very good. That is commutative property. Very good, Prem Sharan. Give a digital clap for Prem Sharan, everyone. Very good. It is commutative property. Okay, children, this is for today. You can leave the class and you can join in the afternoon for DRT at 1:30. Everybody
Bye,
should
miss.
like class at
Bye, miss.
sharp 1:30. Bye everyone.
चार बनते